This is a Manchester Class 156 down on the East Coast main line. As you can see, it's got the Manchester seats on it. It's actually got the refurbished Northern seats. Fairly comfortable seats, yeah. You've got fairly comfortable seats. To be honest, you've got charging pods. It's like a long base one, unlike the 158, where you can't barely see all the way down them. I am only a 10-year-old, and yeah, there's not a lot of leg room though. On this side, it seems to be a bit better. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, that's a lot of leg room. So I think that side, yeah, it's not as good as that side. I mean, it's got a lot more leg room. You actually have tables lined up with the windows. Well, I think they're not. To be honest, no, they're not. You've got waste bins. And there's Minton up there doing this, trying to. So there's a few minor things about this. If we go to sit down, these ones aren't working because they aren't blue, and they're not working either. So if we go a bit further down here, oh, that's not good. You've got Minton there, FT Minton, and how Minton, go subscribe to him. Here it is. There's like a full thing all the way up there, like the lights and speakers, and there's actually luggage racks on this. You've got a lot of space for your things down there and up there. You have on this one here. Teesside Airport stopping one. And then here you've got a bit more leg room, really. Yet again, you've got so much yellow. It is quite warm on this train. But here, it's got things I haven't really seen before. Well, my opinion, but I haven't seen them before. Or them. And then the local door. And if we hop off and see the 440, so this is the end of the train tour. So I hope you guys have had a good time seeing 156 440. So, bye.